RJ, gawin mga SCS yung music. Kasi meron akong presentation.
May presentation si makinig ka Kuya
Yes.
Pao. May presentation si si J4.
Sige. Aba naglalaro ko, nakikinig ako
Hindi, meron siyang presentation. Maganda yan. Okay. Ito na.
Hi, guys.
Full screen.
I am Adam Orilla, fans
Wait lang, mamaya muna J4. I-full screen muna ni
Sige.
TOC, full screen. Ayan.
Hi guys, I am Adam Orilla, fans 2026. Today I'm gonna present my meeting by ABS and ABS becomes AB5.
Grabe, parang familiar yung music
Because
Ako lang ba
number
parang
one,
familiar yung tugtog?
Teka.
reason number one, because everything will get revived. The old
Wait lang. Before mo na yan. Sabi, the way, pero sasabihin sana?
Yung background ni J4 sa presentation, parang yung makikita nyo sa Apple keynotes.
Oo, yung mga parang
Ito,
nagpe-present si Steve Jobs no?
Ito.
Apple keynote
Sumalangit nawa ang kanyang kaluluwa.
Kaya Apple Keynote pala gamit
Reason number one, because everything will get revived. The old anchor will become Katolmilia again. Like Julio Babao and Julius Babao. Nikki De Guzman na admin 1.
Oh na.
Frontline will become Banlida. FBS go back to again. And they're gonna make GMK UKJ. And
Guys, this is a joke. It's a joke lang po yun, guys.
Before I go to
Roblox.
before I go to the second reason,
Gagi.
please give me Robux because I'm so poor. I'm so broke. I have to Robux. Please give me 1,000 billion Robux. Please,
Wala
my
da-
username is Emerald
walang
TV
give.
RBX.
Walang
Ano next?
My second
J4?
reason, if ABS-CBN come back, there will be world peace and all the wars will gonna stop.
Yes.
May tanong lang ako J4 sa presentation mo.
Yes.
Is your source Mr. JC Domondon?
Yes. Yes. Yes, my first is
Clearly he is very reliable, but why did you not put his Bloom Aces and this BTN in the Unity?
I don't know. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and give me Robux.
Ito na ako.
Absolute
Ito
shit.
na
And
ako.
there's also, here is why ABS-CBN should bring back Bandila ahead of time.
Banlida.
Parang iba yun, pre.
I don't know, I just like Bandita. Isang
Isang banidla. Oh.
May isa pang presentation natin si J4. Last more.
Pero
One more.
diba? No?
Gio, you said
J4's
to me,
presentation.
you said to me a while ago that all hope is lost when ABS-CBN gonna come back to free TV. So here's why I think all hope is not lost. I don't know, I'm just coping. Thanks for watching.
I'm cool. Last na talaga to. Meron pa? Bago na
Here's why
nawalan
I
lang.
think ABS-CBN should collab with Smile and Tigong.
Okay, wait lang. Mga ABS-CBN executive, panoorin nyo muna to. Panoorin nyo tong statement.
Cory Bidanes, Mark Lopez.
Carlo Katigbak.
I don't know, I just feel like it. Thanks for watching. Please like,
Dapat nilagay mo dito kasi we love Mimi. Thank you.
Also,
Nagulat na si Blue Wave.
Blue Wave likes Mika Lim and wants to see her.
Bakit may clip?
Mike Lim.
Mike Will made it.
May clip.
Abate.
dapat Maki!
Teka.
Guys, dapat makilim, dapat makilim.
Mike.
Who the
And
fuck
also,
is Mike Lim?
wants to see Katrina.
Si Katri.
No.
Wala daw Blue Wave. Big fan mo pala daw si Mike Lim.
Ano ba?
Congrats sa'yo.
Ano pala, Bini Mike.
Oh, sila play
Guys.
noon.
Bini Mike.
Bini Mike.
Bini Mike.
Si Mike Lim Enriquez.
Mike Lim Enriquez.
Tangin na nyo. Okay, wait lang. I don't know, thanks for watching. Blue Wave loves Maki Lim and wants to see her, and also RJ wants to see Katrina Hull. Katrina Hull.
Katrina Halambot.
Katrina Hall.
Ba't may bet
Oh my God.
Bini
Wala
Mike
sa-
Lim, excuse me po.
GF